Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove Facebook account from another device. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove your Facebook account in other devices, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application on the device you can control. So let's say you have access to your phone and now your phone is also logged in on your other devices or a device can identify. Once you open the Facebook application, click on the hamburger at the top left. Now scroll down, click on Settings and Privacy to expand it. Locate and click on Settings. Now hang on for Settings. Under Settings, click on Account Center. Scroll down Account Center, locate Password and Security and click on it. Scroll down to Security Check and click on where you are logged in. Now select your Facebook account. Hang on to say your account login activity. Under that, select the device you want to log out from. And then go ahead and click on logout. The inspector says, are you sure? Click on logout from the pop to log out from the selected device. So that's exactly how to log out Facebook from another device. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.